Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. One final video, in fact, with the M140i, because now you have of course seen that I have firstly unwrapped the car a little while ago and very recently have just sold it. This video is of course being filmed before any of that process is begun. Obviously the wrap is still on and it's probably a couple of months away until I'm actually going to be selling the car. But I thought as a final goodbye for what has been an infamous car for me, the M140i, it would be nice to just do an overrun of everything which I've done to this car. This is by far the most modified car I've ever owned before, at least until the Golf overtakes that shortly. It's been a hell of a journey. Of course, I bought the car stock in late 2019. Basically with that, enjoy this overview of the journey of my M140i. So then, paperwork is done. I now own a car. Here is the key. And say hello to my new M140i Champion.
In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night.
What do we all think then? M140i, I'm now a BMW owner. Today has been a whirlwind, but yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and make sure you're subscribed for all of the future content with this beast. I have some plans, So then, we have the Motec Stance Plus now on the M140i. I personally think that that is a worthy modification to the car. Definitely a good way to start the build. Here today with Ben from C204. Good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. How's it going?
Yeah, no, really good. Really excited about what we're going to do to this today. I think subtle changes, but ones which are going to make a big difference.
Definitely subtle changes, yeah.
But yeah,
start though.
So just like that, the car is now complete. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am loving how this thing looks. Oh yes, now that looks incredible. Okay, so Darren, nice to meet you.
Hi Luke.
Welcome to the channel. So this is the diff for the car. So this is obviously the M Performance Limited slip diff. Anyway, shall we get it up on the ramp?
Definitely. Let's get on with the job.
Get started. The car's going to go back outside. We've still got to wait another hour for the curing time. But yeah, we now have the limited slip diff installed on the car. In she comes. It's going to look fairly different by the time it comes back out. Oh, he knows. So, what do we all think of this now? So, we have the Maxton, I think it's V3, isn't it?
Yep.
And then we've also got the side sills as well, which complement the gloss black wrap down the swage line as well. Going towards the back, we then have the Riga diffuser, which looks so much better. But I just need to get the exhaust tips done now because they look, well, they look a bit weird, don't they? So what do we all think then? This is starting to become a bit of a beast, I think. Oh, it's quick. It's 120. bit down there on the on the exit, but here we are out onto the track. So quick. It's 120. About 130. So let's hop in then. How good is this? Oh my days. I wish you could understand how amazing this wheel is to feel now. Obviously being Alcantara all the way around, including the 12 o'clock marker. Oh, it's so nice. Honestly, to be fair, on the back, it actually makes the biggest difference because you could still see the outline of the original mirror. Whereas this is a whole different unit. So cool. And actually a nice little surprise. And of course, we now have the double slack grills on the front, which make the car look even more aggressive. The dam pipe is fitted. Not actually sure if you're going to be able to see it. It's down there. Yeah, we're all ready to now hear the car. So it is now dyno time. So like Alex and I briefly mentioned earlier, the car is now running 480 brake horsepower as per the QS dyno, so 50 horsepower more than what it was running beforehand, and 100 Newton meters up as well. Yeah, a lot wetter. There's 100. 174. There we go. Wow. It's different, very different, but I'm so glad that I've took the dive and gone for it. I mean, I am over the moon. Absolutely over the moon. Lots of spinning. Oh, bloody hell. Right, so give us a bit of a run through really.
So what we've done, obviously, first of all, we actually swapped out your carbon center trim that was here.
Yep.
Replaced it for a gloss black. M2 paddles, so they're all connected up with the right fixings. The door handles, so we changed these from the metal finish to the gloss black. In here we've changed the center do a gloss black ZF trim as well as the base, and then wrap this in Alcantara, change this center console, and then what we've done is replace this with gloss black, and then use your old trim, plastic welded this back on. So we've stripped all the back bit. That's what takes most time really out of all of the interior mods. That's the most time consuming thing. And that's
quite a custom piece really.
Yeah, pretty much. But I think it comes together really well. And then obviously if you take the wrap off, it all matches up really nice.
Yeah, exactly. A bit of a nod to the original colour. Here it is. Mike's has been out on a road test, make sure everything's all right. Love this car, wicked. Oh crikey, yeah. Bloody hell, it's like it's on rails. So this video has been going on for far too long, so I've decided to just finish off the car, collect the wheels, get them fitted, get them built up to the tyres, and that's basically where we're at right now. The car is behind me, as you can see. I am so happy. So yeah, I guess all I have to do is to show you, take a look, and then we'll have a bit of a walk around before wrapping up the video. But all in all, so happy.
As you can see, the blue map, that's how you brought the car yesterday morning when we did the baseline. But after the installation of the Pure 800, doing some custom tuning with Halim from HC Performance, using the boot mode platform, we have the red curve, which is pushing around 737 wheel Newton meters of torque and 524 wheel horsepower. After that, we changed, added some ethanol to the tank, went to the E30 map, and yeah, just think for the first time we struggled a little bit to keep torque down. It was doing 820 Newton meters at the wheel, mid-range. Very happy. The curve looks very nice. I'm sure it will be a blast to drive.
Absolutely. Absolutely, I cannot wait. Awesome stuff. My God, that's fast.
Oh my God! You bumped me with your car!
180, just killed a bug at 180 mile an hour. I am so sorry. Starting to slow a bit, 185. 6. 7. 8. 288 mile an hour. Okay, so Kyle is now all done some extra coding bits as well, but obviously the party piece for this is the new Pro Nav system. You can see we've installed CarPlay on this as well. I still have the protective screen on this, but you can see all nice and done. So fast forward a little while so the guys can finish off, get the final little bits of vinyl off the car. And so a little time later, we of course have the car back outside, all complete. They just had to get a couple of last little bits off, which was a little bit fiddly, so I didn't really want to have a camera stuck in their face. But here we are. The car is completely 100% unwrapped, back to Esterol Blue. As you can see down here, by the way, this is the remnants of the wrap, all screwed up in a big ball. But yeah, I know some of you are going to be actually really rather happy that the wrap is gone, but who said I'm not going to wrap it again? Now, it's fair to say that from the last video of this car, there was some definite suspicion about the future of it. And what can I say? Those of you who thought that, you are right. I have in fact sold my M140i. I mean, come on, stating the obvious, I know, but I'm gonna really miss this car. I mean, I bought this car with just over 5,000 miles on it, so it was pretty much new when I bought it. By the time I finish this journey, it will be about 29,500 miles. So pretty much I've done near enough 25,000 miles in this car. And in that time, I have made some incredible memories. And that's one of the things, by the way, which I love about making content online, because when I sell cars like this, I can look back in however many years and kind of relive the memories. Now, whilst I did say we're going to be catching up and meeting the new owner, there is a story and there is a catch. That I will explain to you very shortly. Okay, we come to a stop for one final time. What a car it has been. What a car it has been. Anyway, I have someone to show you.
Man,
LLF.
What you saying, man? How you doing?
Good to see you, mate.
Nice to meet you, man. Finally.
At long last.
The man himself.
Now, it's probably pretty obvious at this stage what's going on. You obviously have LLF Games, giveaway company.
Yeah.
And of course, that's where this is going. So there is an end of an era. The M140i is sold. But of course, it's been an amazing car, absolutely amazing car. But yeah, on to pastures new, and I hope that whoever gets this car is going to enjoy it as much as I did. So there we are. You're now pretty much all up to date and reminded of what an incredible journey I've had with this car. Honestly, I've absolutely loved it. It's been a fantastic car, and 100% I will own one of these cars again. In fact, in years to come, I would love to own this car again and recreate what I've done to it here. It's been phenomenal. Like I said, I've absolutely loved doing everything to it, making memories with it, and of course, sharing it all with you guys. And I hope that you've enjoyed it too. But yeah, that is the end of the road with the M140. Unfortunately, 14 lap, of course, my private plate will be coming off the car, and before too long, it will of course be going on another car. But yeah, that is it from me today. That is it for the M140i. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I certainly have, and I will be back. I will be back, that is for sure. But for me today, and the M140i today, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. And if you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.